Hello guys, this is Blue Room. So let's get started. This is the website URL for tryhackme, and let us deploy our machine. And you should be connected with the OpenVPN for this to start. So let's get started. So firstly, let me ping this machine and let's check. So the very second the first probe is received to us, then we are sure that the room is working. So let's just wait. So now you can see the ping is happening. That means now the room is ready to use. Scan the machine. So nmap -sv, and let's start the scanning. And what is this machine vulnerable to? So just let's do a vulnerable scan only. Nmap -sv, or maybe -- scripts equal to world and the IP. So I'm just doing directly. I'm just trying to do the scan required. Okay, so let's check our results. For SV, we have scanned the machine. Okay, we did that. How many ports open under 1000? This is 1, 2, 3, 3. Yep. And what is the machine vulnerable to? So for vulnerable, I did this scan nmap I had to type -- script is equal to 1 vuln for this to work, and finally it showed some data, out of which this was among it. So let's copy this and let's paste it. Nope, they want ms. This okay, there is this one as well. So let's check which one do you want. Let's check. So one is this, another one is this one is the same, and this one is also there, risk factor high. So let's take this one now. Yep, that's the one. So about this, let's check what happened. Okay, this is state vulnerable maybe, and over here the risk factor is high, and over here the risk factor is medium. So I guess high one is preferred. So second one, start metasploit msf console. msf console has begun. Okay, I don't know what's that. Let's just open a new terminal. msf console. Starting. Yep, that's nice. Complete. Find the exploitation code that will run against the machine. Okay, so let's search for this one, the vulnerability, the one which we found over here. I'm searching for that, and I need to find the exploitation code. So I can see 3. So out of these 3, which one should be tick? So let's think about this. Let's just take this one, the one which says eternal blue. I guess this is good. So use 2. Yep. Show options, R host, set R host. Okay, let's copy this first. Okay, they want us from the whole starting point. Yep. Show options and set the required one. So show options and set R host to this IP, and there is no L post, I guess. Yeah, I guess this should be there. Set options, set one required. What is the name of this value? R host. R host. Any spellings? R hosts. Yep. And then there is run the exploit. So exploit. I hope this works, otherwise I need to keep doing exploit multiple times. It might fail as well. That's alright. Ah, so nice. So it ran all of this, and after running we did get here in the system. So for Windows ls doesn't work, so I guess we need to do dir to search directories. So these are all the directories which are there. So I guess we are in, and confirm the exploit has set correctly. You may have to press enter for .shell to appear, and background it's shell control Z. If this fails, you have to reboot VM. Okay, control Z, background session yes, and let me check. Yep, it is there in the background session. So this is done. Okay, now we need to escalate. So what is the name of the post module? So we need to click from the shell to meterpreter. So I'm taking this hint. Let me copy this, and if you are already background this session, okay. So let me go and tap back here. Let me search for shell to meterpreter. We got one, so use 0, and we can do show options or options, and it's asking me for a session. So set session 1, and let's run this. So it's running right now. Okay, so if you'll see over here, there is meterpreter session 2 opened. So this is a good sign. Okay, so I pressed the enter command and I got this. Let's go back and let's see the sessions. So now there is another session which has been opened, and let's use that session. So eyes, I guess, interact, I'm not sure, but now the second session, we are in second session now, and let's see. So this is the ls command which gave us the same answer like the which we were getting by dir when we did first. But let me type who am I, unknown command who am I. Okay, oops, we actually got this answer. I need to go back for that. Should I go back? Yeah, let's finish this one. Yep, select this, use module, show options, what are we required to change. So we entered the session value, not sessions. Set the required option and you need the list of all sessions. Okay, run, we did that also. Once the meterpreter is completed, select session for use. I also did that with the session.i2. Verify the Escalation the algorithm. Feel free to open Mac. Shell and run Mac. Okay, so verify that we have escalated to this. Actually we could see that in the sessions only, that we can see over here it's in the authority. So background to shell. Okay, I also did that. Next is list all the processes via the ps command. So sessions -i, let's go back to the second session, ps command, and these are all the services. Migrate to this process using migrate process id command, where the process id is the one you wrote down in the previous step. This may take several attempts. Okay, so let's first do help, and I can check migrate over here. Let's look for migrate. Where is it? Yeah, migrate to server to another process. So migrate, and these are the processes. So let's choose which process to migrate. So I guess we can choose any of this this is anti-authority system. So this is anti-authority system, all of these are anti-authority system. So let's just take as we chose. Okay, so as we chose, don't take the upper one, because upper one is local service, this is system. So authority system, we need system. It's 2272. 2272. Access denied. Let's try again. Let's try last time. So this is not allowing. So let's try 3046. Let's just go from the last 3046. 3046. What the? 272 is not running, and authority system. Let's run this 444. Access is denied 586. Let's see. Okay, so we have no other choice, maybe, rather than trying this. 568. Are we already in 568? Let's go to 272 again. Not working. 3086 is also not working. So let's do 772. Nothing works. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it took some time, and again just keep on doing this and doing this. Like for example, if I told, took some time, but it finally worked. This one worked, this one. So I tried multiple ones, so they didn't work, but this one did. Yeah, that's good. So I have done this one. For this cracking, so this says that we need to type the command hashdump, and we got hashes, 3 hashes. Okay, I can't clear this. So these are the 3 hashes. Let's copy this and let's go to pictures and make a file, name as hash. Let's nano hash and let's save this. Cat it again. Yep, it's there. So now we need to crash it. What is the name of non-default user? It's John. 3 users: administrator, guest, and John. So copy this password hash to a file and research how to crack it. What is the cracked password? So let's try and crack the hash. So let's first use hash identifier and let's copy paste it over here. So it says it could be this thing or NTML. NTML makes sense because Windows saves its password like that. So the obvious guess will be NTML. It says the same. So let's go to an crack station. Crack station is famous for cracking hashes. Let's copy this hash and give it here, and let's crack this. And there was no result found. Okay, I copied the first part, I didn't copy this part. No worries. Let's try again. Yep, it's cracked. So the password is ALQFA22. Okay, so this is the password. So let's copy this, go over here, let's copy this, come here and submit it. And the answer is correct. For the final one, we need to find the flags. Okay, so let me close this and let me come back here. Let me do ls. So right now we are searching for flags. Okay, so let's start by seeing what is the present working directory. Okay, I'm timed out actually. Okay, so now we need to find the flags. So this, I just did this ls, and let's get a shell. So let's get the command prompt so that we can do it better. And these are all not that. So this is bad. This, like, now we need to find flag 1.txt /s. So this is in dir file not found. Okay, let's check the present working directory. Okay, let's just go to C. Okay, when will this work? Let's check. Let's just try and search again, and this time I'll use like a regex, which will like search for any flag in middle of the name, or there is flag anywhere, and /s. Search is not recognized as. Okay, search is not recognized as a command. Of course it is not recognized as a command. dir is what we use in Windows. Flag, finishing the regex. Okay, let's just back around this and yeah, and let's search in the meterpreter. I hope there is a find command over here in the meterpreter. Let's check. Let's check dir only. dir all files containing a structure like this. Okay, so my present working directory is this thing. So dirc, I see flag 1. Okay, Okay, so after a lot of ties, the command would be cd dot dot, and it will take me back. And now I'm finally in the C directory. Now I can search for the flag. And I got one this. So this is working. No. I hope. Can you see it? What is it? Is it just access the machine? Yep, fine. So this is done. Flag 1 is done. Now let's do dir. Now in this only let's do /s. System cannot find the file. Let's check. I don't know where the files are. You can just keep looking. So dir flag .txt and /s. So flag 1 we found. Flag 2 is over here. Okay, so we found all the flags. The location of the flags are at least. Okay, so now we know the location of the flags. Flag 2 is in C, Windows, this thing, CD. Let's copy this path. Okay, leave it. Flag 2. Cat won't work. Yeah, I want to open this. Okay, so even cat doesn't work, but this command does work. Type, and you can just do this, and yep, we found our second flag. And flag 3. So flag 3 is on documents. So let's go. Let's do cd dot dot dir, and I'm in C, the CD documents. I need to go here. Yeah, let's go here. dir access is denied. Let's open shell. Flag 3 is over here. So I need to go over here. Okay, so I'm in C drive. And let's go here. And now typ flag 3.txt. Okay, I'm still in there only. My bad. Now to dir, and now type flag 3.txt, and it finally gave the result, and it's done. Congratulations, completed the room. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.